Hello Calgary and welcome to Maclin Ford. My name is Tim and I hope you're having a fantastic day today. Today I'm showing off this Oxford White 2020 Ford F-150. CarFax says this Alberta vehicle has never had an accident. In the XLT trim, this F-150 comes packed with a 308 equipment group, a 3.5-litre V6 EcoBoost engine, the F x4 off-road package, the trailer tow package with Pro Trailer Backup Assist and integrated trailer brake controls. Some of the more notable features of this F-150 include power driver seat, cruise control, Bluetooth, an automatic start-stop feature. This touch display screen provides easy access to the controls for your audio system, as well as the feed from your backup camera. Air conditioning keeps you in a comfortable driving environment year-round. 2 USB ports allows you to have multiple devices plugged in for charging. The second row features a split folding seat, so if you need that extra cargo space, you can have it. Thanks for watching. Now there is a lot more to show you about this Ford F-150 than I can show you in this quick video, and we would love to show this to you in person. So for more information or to book a test drive, go ahead and click that link below in the description. Now you do get to choose whether you want to come visit us in person at our store or if you want us to bring this Ford F-150 out to you at your Calgary area home or office. And have yourself a fantastic day.